Let's make this easy roasted tomato soup. I'm going to show you my lazy mom hack for making this come together even faster. So you want to start with about 1.5 pounds of cherry tomatoes and get those sliced in half. Then I put them in this baking dish and I add a bunch of cloves of garlic. We like it garlicky, so do this to taste. Then of course I like to season this with garlic salt. You guys know that I love my garlic salt. I think it gives it so much flavor. So then I pop it into the oven at 425 for about 30 to 40 minutes until it's nice and brown and looks like this. It's so delicious. Then I scoop all of this out of the pan and put it into my blender container here, and then I blend it until it's smooth. Then I add it to my pot, and this is my secret, guys. I add a roasted garlic pasta sauce. I like this one because it only has a 0.5 gram of fat per serving, so you're saving on lots of calories there. Then I fill the jar back up with water, and I'll probably do this another half a jar or full jar. You just do it however you want. Then I add some oregano and some salt to taste. And I turn it on to simmer. You don't want it to boil, you just want it to simmer. Then I add some of this almond milk. I like this one because it's just water and almonds. And this gives it this nice creamy texture. And I add like a cup or so, but you can do this all to taste. Give that a mix, let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. And then I like to add a bunch of fresh basil. This basil is from my garden, which is really fun. So I add that in there and give it a mix, and then that's ready to go. So then I make the grilled cheese, and I either use this Ezekiel sprouted grain bread or this vegan oat bread from outside the bread box. And this is my cheese sauce, guys. After it's been in the fridge overnight, it's kind of thick, which is exactly how you want it. You don't want to use it fresh because it'll be way too runny to make grilled cheeses from. When it's cold, it's nice and thick and easy to spread, just like this. Then I put the top on my bread and put that on my pan here and just grill the grilled cheese up. Look how gorgeous that looks. And that's it. That's like the easiest homemade grilled cheese and tomato soup that you can do. So good, so easy. I hope you guys give it a try.